Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Justin with AmericanMuscle.com, and today I'm taking a closer look at a very popular wheel and tire combination here on the site, consisting of the AMR wheel shown in gloss black with a 20 by 8.5 inch sizing and a plus 30 millimeter offset, and that AMR is wrapped in the Lexani High Performance LX20 tire in a squared 255 35R20 sizing, and this combination is available for all 2010 through 2014 Mustangs. Now this setup will be an affordable way for S197 owners to get one of the most popular Mustang wheels of all time on their ride, and doing so with a square stance, which will give you the flexibility to properly rotate your tires over time, and ultimately that will help you get the most mileage possible out of the Lexanis. Now this kit does feature free mount and balance and will fit on all S197s without rubbing, even if you've lowered your car 2 inches. So this kit is going to be for the S197 owners out there looking to go with one of the most affordable combos here on the site to deliver a more aggressive look through that modern drift-inspired styling. Now these wheels have been one of the most popular options here on the site ever since I can remember, and I've been here a very long time, and while they are offered in a few different colors at AM, this particular kit is going to feature the gloss black finish, which I really dig. Now also worth noting here, guys, is that split 7-spoke design will really do a good job of showing off those brakes. So if you have a Brembo car, or maybe you've upgraded the factory brakes on your ride, this is certainly something to pay attention to. Now as far as your offset is concerned, well, the plus 30 millimeter offset is going to be similar to stock and will live comfortably in the wheel wells without any excessive poking or flushness. Now the Lexani LX20 tire is going to be a super affordable high performance summer tire with very favorable reviews here on the site that will deliver respectable dry traction and will also be offered with a 30,000 mile warranty. Now because this is a square setup, meaning you do have the same width wheel and tire on all 4 corners, S197 owners will have the ability to properly rotate these tires over time, giving you the most life possible, and that's something that is not possible if you go with a staggered setup instead. All right, moving into our construction block, and the AMR wheels will feature a durable cast aluminum build that will be very lightweight, but at the same time still retain that durability. Now this particular set again is given the gloss black powder coat here and does include the matching black AM center caps. Quick and important heads up here, guys, owners should definitely consider grabbing a new set of black spline or hex lug nuts, as the wheel holes found in the AMR wheels are actually going to be smaller than those found on your stock wheels, so therefore your factory lug nuts will not work. Now as for the tire, well again, the Lexani LX20 is categorized as a high performance summer tire, which means expect a soft sticky compound, as that 320 tread wear number does indicate. Now that tire will offer great summer traction, but won't necessarily be ideal for cold days or winter weather. Now the combination of the directional and asymmetrical tread pattern here will help provide traction in both wet and dry conditions, along with providing you with a quiet, smooth ride on the road. Finally, that 255 35R20 sizing here will fit on all Mustangs without issue, even if you've lowered your car 2 inches. But just quick note, the wheel and tire kit shown here on our S197 is currently equipped with a stock suspension. All right, moving into price point, and while I've said it a few times throughout the video, I'll say it again here, guys. Definitely looking at one of the most affordable combinations overall when shopping for your S197 at home, keeping this kit in the lower price bucket here on the site. A couple of things to keep in mind: this price does include free mount and balance. So you have a couple of options here. You can either have them mounted and balanced at our warehouse here at American Muscle, or we can ship them to your local tire store and we'll pick up the mount and balance tab. Now this package does not include any TPMS sensors, so you might want to consider adding those to this package, A, to just keep an eye on your tire pressure, but B, also to avoid that TPMS light on your dash. Also guys, don't forget about those lug nuts we talked about earlier, black splined or hex lug nuts to fit the smaller lug holes found on the AMR wheels. All right, moving into the install, and the site's gonna go with a strong 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and at least 30 minutes to get all 4 wheels and tires in place. Now, obviously you're gonna need a lift or a jack to get the car in the air first, along with a socket set or impact gun to remove and then reinstall those lugs. And just heads up here, if you do go with those aftermarket spline lug nuts, make sure you have your wheel key on hand before getting started. Last but not least, always a great idea to make sure you torque your lugs to spec, which in this case, you're looking at 100 foot-pounds here at the S197. Well, that's gonna wrap up our video here on the AMR wheel combo in gloss black. Again, that 20 by 8.5 inch sizing with a plus 30 millimeter offset, and that wheel is wrapped in the Lexani High Performance LX20 tire in that squared 255/35R20 sizing. And again, this is available for all 2010 through 2014 Mustangs. Thanks again for watching, guys, and remember, for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.